So today's video is about how to build trust in your relationship. If you ain't got trust, you don't got nothing, for real, for real. But look, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, all right? So one of the ways to help build trust in a relationship is keep your promises. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not always the best at keeping promises, but I try to do what I can, you know? Like if you make a promise that I'm gonna get you this for your birthday, and then you don't come through with it on their birthday, that's a red flag, right? Like, I know things ain't gonna always turn out how you want them to, but for the most part, when you make a promise, try to keep your promise. So the next time you make a promise, it's more believable and you know, your trust is being built. 2, stay during the hard times, bro. There's no such thing as an easy relationship, because if there was, there'd be no need for a video like this, you know what I'm saying? So like when y'all having y'all little issues, you know, don't just leave your partner, you know. Don't just give up on what y'all got, because it took time to get what y'all got. It's gonna take time to, you know, fix what y'all got. It's gonna take time to grow, get better, learn, live, love, you know. Which takes me to my next point. Give each other space. So, you know, relationships all about that love and being there for each other. But sometimes, you know, y'all just gotta be apart for a little bit. Then y'all want to be around each other. Y'all want to spend more time together. Sometimes you got to give each other space. Like y'all get in an argument, y'all got to cool off. Go to one side of your house and then you go to the other side of your house, you know. And if y'all got problems with each other, that can help y'all to heal. Just being apart and getting your mind right. You got to have respect, bruh. How I'm supposed to trust you and you don't even respect me, you know? Like, I don't want to be with somebody that don't even respect me. I'm not even going to try to give my trust to anybody that don't respect me. Like, I feel like you don't care, you don't respect me. What's the point? But at the same time, don't just give up on each other, you know? Try to see if y'all can make things work even though it's hard. And then if you realize, it ain't working out, go ahead and end things. If y'all trying to work things out, that means y'all gotta talk about your feelings. How we supposed to build trust if when something wrong with you, you don't ever tell me what it is? We eating dinner, right? I said something that made you mad, but I didn't realize it. So you just storm off, go to the other room or whatever, and you never tell me what was wrong. How am I supposed to fix myself for you if you don't talk to me? Tell me how you feel. You starting to get it? In order to build trust, y'all got to be willing to work together. You got to be willing to admit when you're wrong. You got to be willing to forgive too. You're not just going to be walking around here all mad at each other. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if this video helped you out in any way, because I'll be uploading more videos like this in the future. Make sure you check out my last video right here. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you when I see you. Peace.